How to start a business with no money. Most of us think that starting a business always requires capital. Our traditional mindset tells us that whether it is a small-scale business, you should have at least a revolving fund to run it. So, in this video, we'll talk about how it is possible to start a business with no cash. First, we want you to unlearn what you had been conditioned in starting a new business opportunity. Rather, have a shift in mindset that even without money, if you have a service or product people want, you can still achieve your business goal. Though it sounds like a far-fetched idea, it is not impossible. What's important is you take a step no matter how small it is. What kind of business do you want to start? Or maybe you are already running it. Please write it down to the comment section below and share to us how you were able to do it. While you're on it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you can be updated every time we have a new video. To be successful in your business pursuit, you have to be well-driven and willing to take action towards your goal. Having no money should not deter you to start your business. To prove it, there are successful business brands that we know now but started with zero capital, like Philip Knight and Bill Bowerman, who started selling training shoes from their car trunk. These names are the successful entrepreneur that makes Nike the leading athlete shoes and clothing in the world. Michael Dell started selling PC from his college dorm while keeping his dishwashing job for $2.30 per hour. Maybe you can see yourself in them, keeping a job while plotting some business plan, which is a good way to start. A steady income from your job is a good safety net while you're starting to build your own business. It will keep you in paying the bills as your business slowly grows. All startup business requires patience and hard work. When your business starts to generate profit, you can start planning to take care of your business full-time. Another way to start business with no money is by sticking with your knowledge and skills. You can build a niche from your expertise, which can open an opportunity for you to start a business. You can learn a new skill so you don't give yourself a lame excuse and say, "Oh, I can't do it because I don't have the skills." It might take time, but consider it as an investment that will enable you to start a business. To enter in a field that you're more familiar with will give you more confidence to start your business. So, you are stoked to take the plunge and willing to take the risk of starting a new business. But let me ask you, are you willing to do all the work? If you are just starting with no money, it means doing all the work that you would normally delegate to an employee. If you don't have the budget to hire staff, you have to do things yourself. I know it's tough, but the good thing about it is you will have a higher profit and more cash reserve. The best business to start with no money is to offer service. Your ability will be your ticket to make a sale. It would be a practical startup business. There are so many service businesses you can start today with no cash out. 1. Tailoring and alteration business. It doesn't take up a lot of space to start one. You can use a corner of your room or set up a small workshop in your garage. Providing this kind of service is a good startup business. You can build your customers through referrals, especially if they find your service excellent at a competitive price. 2. Interior design. If you're creative and have the knack for design and remodeling, homeowners and corporate offices can hire you to do their home or office interior. Maybe you can do some initial projects for free, then slowly build your work portfolio and publish your business online to reach a wider client base. 3. Blogging. You can start your business as a professional blogger. Blogging is an inexpensive way for a small-scale business. You can generate income in many ways through blogging, like sell advertisement, sell your own products, or get paid for sponsored posts. Your objective is to drive people to follow your sites and attract more prospective customers. 4. Pool cleaning. If this is the business you have in mind, it is timely to offer this service now that pool season is here. To give you an idea, a pool service professional can make about $50 to $60 per hour cleaning and servicing pools, while the average pool route business owner can have a yearly net income of $75,000 to $85,000 per year. However, pool cleaners that operate on the commercial level may be required to have a technician certification. 5. Voiceover Talent Service. Are you a theater actor or a radio DJ? Voice acting or voice recording is one of the most exciting and rewarding careers available today, especially so when you consider the diverse range of clients, the flexible work hours, and the ability to work from home. You can develop your experience in specific voiceover niche like audiobook narration, PSAs, and commercials, character voice, and animation voiceovers. Your earnings as a voice actor ranges from $35 for a small market radio spot, $150 for a 50-second recording for, say, a small website, $250 to $350 for a 30-second major market radio commercial, to about $2,000 to $5,000 per audiobook as an established voice talent. You might still be thinking, I want to start my own business without money, but I don't know what to do or where to begin. If you get to this point, don't let yourself get stuck. Reach out to business owners that you know and ask for advice. They probably experienced what you are going through when they were just starting their own business. Some people in your network might be entrepreneurs who can give you some pointers about starting a business with no money. Learn as many tips as possible and apply them to your own business. We wish you good luck with your new business venture, and we hope you learned a lot from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, thank you for watching.